Hey everybody, it's Kurt at Detail Solutions and Ceramic Pro White Marsh, your elite dealer for the Baltimore area. We wanted to share with you the opportunity that we were just presented to work on this beautiful Toyota Supra and bring some life back into it for its new owner. I want to walk you through some of the processes and show you some of the defects that we were working with here. As you see here on the top side of the vehicle, you'll notice a serious lack of shine. This is due to the swirling, etching, and sun damage over the years. As our team performs our paint correction process, we'll restore that shine, depth, and clarity to the paint by removing very small amounts of damaged clear coat. Now, let's take a look at the results. As you can tell from these pictures and footage, there's a drastic difference in the clarity and gloss. Just look at the reflections in these shots. Due to the Supra's age and its driving use, there are just simply some defects that we can't fix, but this car was completely and utterly transformed, and its new owner can truly be proud to take ownership of a sports car icon. Thank you all for watching this video. And for those of you in the Baltimore area that are interested in paint correction or protection services, please check out the description in this video for more information and our contact. Please like and subscribe as it truly helps us grow our channel.